O'Neill Life. My name's Jennifer if you're new here. So today I'm going to do a 1 hour power clean with me. I have about 5 things on my list that I need to get done. So I'm going to set my timer and see if I can get everything checked off my list. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when I post, and give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos as much as I do. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so here's the list that I'm working with today. So I need to do the kitchen cleanup, wipe down the breakfast table, pick up the family room, sweep and mop, and do some laundry. So I'm going to start with the laundry first so that can be washing and drying as I'm cleaning the rest. So let's get the timer going. Let's see, 1 hour. Start. Okay, so now I'm back in my kitchen and I'm going to start by just getting things organized and put away, and then start wiping down the countertops. Side note real quick, I don't know if y'all watch Love Meg, I'm sure you do, but I'm almost positive my countertops are the exact same countertops that she has in her kitchen. We're both from Georgia, so I don't know if the builders use the same things in all the houses around here, but I thought it was so funny that my kitchen countertops and I think the cabinets are exactly the same. So now I'm just going to load the dishwasher. I tried to turn it on the night before, but I guess last night I forgot to turn it on. So I'm gonna just get these few dishes out of the sink and into the dishwasher. On to the breakfast area, and right here I'm just getting everything picked up off the table, and I'm gonna wipe everything down. On a lot of days, especially when I'm doing like a power hour clean, I'll just use these Lysol wipes to wipe everything down. I think it's faster and easier to just have it in one step, wipe it down really quick and move on. So I have finished with the kitchen area and the breakfast table. So now I just need to move on to the family room and sweep. The laundry is still going upstairs. Let's check in with the time. 38 minutes left on my timer. Let's keep going. Okay, so y'all, I wanted to show you this dog hair. I swept like 2 days ago, and this is how much hair my dog has shed. I know it's summertime, but I swear I can make a whole nother dog with the amount of hair he sheds. Okay, so I just finished the family room and I've swept. I still have to mop. The laundry is still going, so I'll have to check on that later. I have 21 minutes left. I'm gonna use this floor cleaner here by Aunt Fanny's. It's in the bright lemon scent. It has vinegar in it. I read that it was good for wood floors. I got off Grove Collaborative, so we'll see how it does. Okay, so I just finished mopping. I have the laundry going now in the dryer. I have to start one more load, but other than that, I finished my power hour list and I have 10 minutes left on my timer. So I'm so proud of myself for being able to get all this done. So super hard work, but really rewarding. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If so, make sure to like and give a comment down below and tell me hi, where you're from, and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.